welcome to the Canon booth. We would like to explain a little bit more on how Canon sees the trends in our market. Our commercial printers and graphic arts clients are facing 5 big challenges. First challenge that we see is, of course, a lot more shorter run jobs. These have been decreasing now for years, which obviously creates a big challenge. The second one is turnaround time for our clients. Their clients want their jobs done yesterday, so it's a challenge for them always to be able to produce at the right time. The third challenge that we are seeing is that the jobs are becoming a lot more complex. We see them wanting to produce variable content, variable imaging, variable text. The fourth one that we see is that the clients are taking on more different types of jobs. What once used to be the normal offset printer, we see that printer now getting involved in digital printing as well as in display graphic equipment. So the product portfolio and the services that the clients are offering are widening substantially. And I think the fifth one, which is quite obviously a very critical one as well, is the fact that there is the relentless pursuit to cut costs out of the production. So those are the 5 key elements that we see as trends in the industry. And if we can, let's have a look at some of that equipment that responds to those 5 critical trends.
There is one product I really would like to elaborate on, which is the Vario Print Eye 300. Run lengths definitely are decreasing. Turnaround time, as we said, are getting shorter. Here is now a piece of equipment that's inkjet related that gives you the ability to really answer to those trends. One of the critical elements in building this machine was ensuring that we have the maximum uptime. The temperature control, the humidity, everything is in an enclosed environment. So we're actually guaranteeing an uptime of 95%. So now we're really talking about a production machine that fits in the commercial printing environment and at a quality level that can take a lion's share of your jobs. Our newest addition to the wide format product line. This is a UV gel wide format press that is geared towards graphic designers, that's geared towards signage. The Colorado 1640 is the fastest 64-inch roll-fed display graphic piece of equipment. It handles 2 rolls up to 110 pounds each, and it automatically changes between rolls and has elements built into the machine to ensure that you have constant identical results across your production time. Your production cost has reduced at the tune of 40% when you compare it to the nearest competitive piece of equipment. And we sincerely believe this is a game changer in the wide format arena.
Here we have the Arizona 2280 GT. This is a 14 board an hour class UV flatbed machine that could allow you to save costs in your business and increase productivity. This machine can allow you to print directly to rigid sheets, also has a roll functionality to allow you to print on roll stocks for display graphic applications. This machine is all about productivity with a UV curing ink system, allows you to print on uncoated substrates. It also has a pin registration system to allow quick board changes for access.
Right here we have our Image Press C10000 VP. It's our flagship toner-based product. It's a 100 page per minute toner-based press, handle up to 13 by 19 paper, up to 350 GSM. Right now we're powering the press with our Canon Prisma Sync controller. It's built around productivity, versatility, and consistency. Great thing with our Prisma Sync controller here is that it has a G7 calibrator built right into the controller. It's a fully closed loop G7 system, so we can calibrate with no third-party tools or software needed. This press is built around productivity. It has 2 fusers, so you can run at rated speed, 100 pages per minute, all the way up to 350 GSM.
I'd like to also mention the fact that we have technical and professional services people who are critical to make sure that the client optimizes the equipment. And then I think the other facet where we have our professional services people is to make sure that we clearly understand the type of applications our clients want.